Salgan! ¡Eh! ¡Salgan!
Hey, give him a passport. Hey, give him. I'm ready for that now. I'm ready for passport now. Hey, give him a passport now.
Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I have this video of Cleon Harden, a Jamaican man who was angered by this Mexican in a Mexican airport. And well, they actually had to find out who that man is and what he is made of. Jamaica, I appreciate you and I congratulate you for standing up for your rights. Let's watch this video and then I'll be back with more comments.
¿Qué te pasa, pendejo? ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Qué te pasa, pendejo? Pase para acá. Salgan! ¡Eh! ¡Salgan!
Hey, give him a passport now.
Salgan!
Hey, give him. I'm ready for that now. I'm ready for passport now. Hey, give him a passport now. Give him a passport. Hey, we're ready for passport now. I want to the brethren. Hey, look at
Mr. I don't know what, I just lose it from this.
When you say lose your cool, you were the one who broke the glass, or how did that happen? Did they try to hold on to you? What happened?
No, when we stamp the glass now, we realize, and them start fling chair, so we stamp out two more.
You say stamp, you kick it or you punch it?
Just stamp it and it broke. Two more and them start fling some chair. So I have to take up the glass now to defend myself. So I take up the glass now to come out to defend myself and back off and come up and clear my system for I run. So I make a run. They run me down, send for gun police. Go for him gun to shoot me. So I put on the glass, and jump on me and he start kick me. Kick me up, handcuff me, put me in the cell and start kick me up all about. All on my head and my son, I have to play like my dead, so them stop. And the next day them come back to set thing them do.
So you're saying they beat you for 2 days?
Yeah, and the Sunday now them come for me and say Jamaica is going home. And they come and they punch me and kick me up again and police were dead to stand up. And from this I couldn't even walk.
So did you ask to speak to people from our embassy over there? Did you say anything to them?
No, I never get the car. When we reach at the airport and now and they push me out in a wheelchair, the immigration, I said, what happened? And I tell her, I said, boy, me have to go to the council of rights somewhere for halfway through and take it from there. But you I said, sure. I never leave everything, but we never know say it will pop out so big, you understand?
Yeah, because there's a video circulating.
Yeah, me used to have video start yesterday me used to have video start circulate now. I'm never going to say that circulate so big. You understand? I come look for my old lady to them and really catch up on me, you know. But them now video that part then them touch and me and beat me and
Yeah, welcome back. So I hope you've all watched the video. The man himself, it's clear he's Cleon Harden. We've been told that Cleon Harden faced a very rough time while in Mexico. He was detained in Mexico. I think by now he was released. The man has explained what happened to him in those prisons. He said he was beaten, mostly on the head. He was injured, totally injured. He was treated like an animal. Why? But why would you do that for somebody who only was standing up for his rights? The man, for the first, he was so calm. He told them that let me have my passport. But to some point, they didn't give it to him. Other people came, they were served, but he was ignored. So, well, we all know what happens when you push a cat up to the wall. It retaliates back. So guys, we've also been told that Cleon Harden, while in that prison, going through all that torture, being beaten, being injured to the head and to the ribs, everywhere, he pledged with them to stop. Because after all, he is just human. But they wouldn't listen. They continued torturing and injuring the man. So Cleon Harden had to play dead for them to stop. You can only see they stopped because he played dead. So you tell me, if these people really cares about the lives of a black, tell me if they really care about the lives of a black folk. Another question is, what if it was a white man in the position of Cleon Harden? Would they have beaten him to that point? Would they have tortured him to that point? I don't know why the rights of a black person, they are the ones being ignored the most. So guys, I'm your host Larry. Tell me what you think in the comment section. We will continue engaging. For those who know, I'm always active and respond to my fans. Otherwise, until we meet again, peace out.